आउज़बिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अल्लाह के नाम से शुरू करता हूँ जो बड़ा मेहरबान और नहायत रहम करने वाला है। हमारे सब्जेक्ट का नाम ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट एंड लर्निंग है और हम इस वक्त यूनिट नंबर 8 इसका पढ़ रहे हैं, जिसका नाम है ह्यूमन लर्निंग एंड क्लासरूम टीचिंग। और इसको जो प्रेजेंट कर रहा है वो मैं मोहम्मद फलाह खान आपके साथ हूँ। और ये हमारा B.Ed का कोर्स कोड नंबर इसका 8610 और हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी का नाम अल्लामा इकबाल ओपन यूनिवर्सिटी है। तो आइए स्टूडेंट्स, हम इसके सबसे पहले ऑब्जेक्टिव्स को देखने ये कि डिस्क्राइब experiments that lead to the theories of associative learning and cognitive learning. Differentiate between the associative and the cognitive learning theories. Number third पे हम देखेंगे describe how teachers can use learning theories to help students learn complex skills related to the importance of conditioning in language. Overview. Language learning takes place in many ways, sometimes in its international and when students acquire information presented in a classroom or when they are looked sometimes up in the encyclopedia. Sometimes it is unintentional as it causes the children's reach to the needle. All sort of language are going on all the times. As you the reader and reading this chapter you are learning something about learning. For this we will present some learning theories in the unit which will be helpful to the teacher and the students or all these problems. फिर हमारे से मीनिंग एंड लैंग्वेज ऑफ लर्निंग। ये लर्निंग मीन्स टू ब्रिंग चेंज इन द behavior of organism. It is very difficult to give a universal acceptance definition of learning because various theories developed by the psychologist attempt to define to form different angles. सबसे पहले क्या है, एन अर्लियर व्यू ऑफ लर्निंग, सेकंड पे क्या है लेटर व्यू ऑफ लर्निंग, थर्ड में क्या है रिसेंट व्यू ऑफ लर्निंग। फिर आगे क्या आता है स्टूडेंट्स, लर्निंग डेफिनेशन। लर्निंग डिफाइंड क्या होता है, लर्निंग हैज़ बीन एक्सप्लेन एंड डिफाइंड इन नंबर ऑफ वेज। अ फ्यू ऑफ द व्यू रिगार्ड द नेचर ऑफ द लर्निंग आर गिवन बिलो। फिर है मनोव्यू, स्किनियर व्यू, व्यू ऑफ गेट, व्यू ऑफ डैनियल बेल, व्यू ऑफ हॉरेप्स, किमल्स व्यू, व्यू ऑफ किंग्सली एंड जेरी। A very comprehensive definition is given in Crow and Crow as under. फिर है जी नेचर ऑफ लैंग्वेज एज मॉडिफाइड बिहेवियर क्या, लर्निंग वर्सेस मेच्योरेशन। परमानेंस ऑफ द लर्निंग, इसमें चेंज इन बिहेवियर में भी टेक प्लेस इन द डिजायर्ड डायरेक्शन और इन द अंडर undesirable direction. Learning can be both incidental and incidental. The social school curriculum, teaching method and learning systems must be oriented to both internal and incidental learning. Learning involves both cover over act and cover convert act process. Children learn attitude and value which are convert process. Learning result from reforming practice. Learning is both process and a product. General characteristics of learning book क्या है, language is attitude, language is growth, language is organizing experience. फिर क्या है, language is purposeful, learning is active, learning is intelligent and creative. Learning affects the conduct of learners. learning is the product of the environment. फिर है जी लैंग्वेज ऑफ लर्निंग, लॉज ऑफ लर्निंग। ये क्या है, दे मस्ट बी अकाउंट एंड फंडामेंटल लॉज ऑफ लर्निंग आर। सबसे पहला क्या, लॉ ऑफ रेडीनेस, लॉ ऑफ एक्सरसाइज, लॉ ऑफ इफेक्ट्स। फिर हमारे पास आ रहा है जी एजुकेशन implication. ये क्या, चाइल्ड get to form good habits and attitude for associating with reward, satisfaction and praise. फिर है undesirable attitude or act of behavior can be removed by associating them with unsatisfied desired condition. The act of reward and punishment take this law into consideration. Behavior problems can be improved by associating them with any underlying state of affairs. Interest is directly related to the law. Children get interested in things which bring pleasant results. आगे क्या हमारे पास स्टूडेंट ये लर्निंग एज modification of behavior. Again, learning is a very comprehensive term. Learning does not means only the acquisition of knowledge or skills. It means much more than that. It must be noted that learning stated for relatively permanent change or modification of behavior. The theory change and behavior does not consider learning. Moreover, modification of behavior may take place in desirable direction or in the undesirable direction. For example, children learn good habits as well as bad habits. Of course, teacher and parents must also encourage children to learn desirable behavior pattern. Besides of behavior, human behavior results from two basic forces inside the individual and forces outside the individual. आगे क्या जी classification in the following ये क्या है basic need for food, shelter, sex, etc. फिर है psychological need, satisfaction of urge and desirable pleasure and happiness. फिर है normative need, attainment of aims and objectives, observing norms and values. फिर है acting according to the standards set by adults and society. आगे क्या है conditions of learning ये क्या है motivation, clearing of presentation, providing direct experience, level of intelligence, academic atmosphere, effective method of teaching. फिर है reinforcement of और फिर क्या practice. आगे स्टूडेंट्स हमारे पास implementation in learning, types of imitation. Mike Dougall has given the main types of immediate primary imitation and secondary imitation. Primary imitation include three types. पहला क्या sympathetical imitation ये क्या when one feel as often feel quite unconsciously. We have systematic imitation. A child cries carries when he sees other caring. Second, idiomotor imitation ये क्या in the idiomotor type of imitation one imitate the act of other. When in a match one person raise their hogistic spectacular raise their arm. spirit desirable limitation ये क्या desirable imitation has been explained earlier. आगे मेरे पास स्टूडेंट्स आते लॉ ऑफ लिमिटेशन ये क्या imitation the following laws. Imitation grows from high to low, urban to rural, rich to poor. All aspects of imitation are borrowed. उसके बाद imitation is more action than thinking. फिर it goes one from internal to external. Imitation grows rapidly. फिर जी हमारे स्टूडेंट्स आगे आ रहा है ये imitation of learning ये है द टीचर मेथड ऑफ टीचिंग वीक स्टूडेंट्स परफेक्शन स्कूल गुड बुक्स. आगे हमारे पास आ रहा है एसोसिएशन विद एसोसिएटिव थ्योरी ऑफ लर्निंग ये क्या है साइकोलॉजिस्ट हैव डेवलप्ड टू प्रिंसिपल टाइप्स ऑफ लर्निंग थ्योरीज टू एस एंड हाउ इंडिविजुअल्स लर्न बिहेवियरल एसोसिएट एंड कोग्निटिव. फिर है जी बिहेवियर लर्निंग थ्योरीज टर्म्स टू एम्फसाइज observable behavior such as classroom behavior or new skills or knowledge that can be demonstrated. A major goal of the behaviorist is to determine the laws governing learning. The concern about the nature of learning has demonstrated academic psychologies for most of the century. A number of ideas contributed to the behavior view. The Greek philosopher Aristotle यानी जिसे अरिस्टो कहते हैं concept of association of ideas is one of the important orientation of behavioralism. आगे क्या है जी associations, जिसमें as Aristotle has said that the learning is the result of association of the two components. The consideration become synonymous with association. फिर है conditions, क्लासिकल कंडीशन ये क्या एक्सटेंशन एंड रिकवरी. आगे क्या है जी, कंडीशनिंग पैराडागम्स, ये क्या डिलेइंग कंडीशंस, फिर है ट्रैक कंडीशन, फिर ऐसे से सेवेंटीनस कंडीशंस, फिर है बैकवर्ड कंडीशन, फिर है टेम्पररी कंडीशंस. आगे हम स्टूडेंट्स हमारे पास आ रहे हैं कि कनेक्शनिज्म, ये क्या थ्योरी बाय E.L. Theoretism, ये क्या theoretism view learns as a series of stimulus response assess connections or bonds. फिर his theories of learning describe the way in which these are connections can be strengthened or weakened. He felt that learning was basically a theatrical and error enterprise. And he paid little attention to the possible of concept formation और थिंकिंग. फिर हमारे पास स्टूडेंट्स आगे आ रहे हैं 3 मेजर लॉज. ये नंबर 1 क्या है, लॉ ऑफ रेडीनेस. सेकंड क्या है, लॉ ऑफ इफेक्ट. आगे क्या हमारे पास है, एरेस्कर्स बिहेवियरलिज्म एसोसिएशन. ये क्या, द लास्ट ऑफ द एसोसिएशंस वाज एडवन गुल्टर. गुल्टर वाज बिहेवियरलिस्ट एसोसिएशनिस्ट par excellence, follows the direction in Western's footstep. He rejected any psychologist that might have mentalistic overtone. फिर क्या है, cognitive theory of learning. इसमें include one the idea, behavior, thoughts and images. When we know, understanding or remembering is something, we use cognition to do so. Cognitive process are mental activities that involve forming a manipulation and using cognition or cognition is terms used to describe all of our mental processes such as perception, memory and judgment. आगे हमारे पास आ रहे हैं Max Verteramics, Kestren psychology. Mann found a school of psychology called Kestralism or configuration. Instead that it was useless to study small part of psychologist concept like perception or learning. Students parts is isolated where unjustified become change as single part in new necessarily change with whole. Woodfill-Kohler learning by insight. ये क्या, Woodfill who had worked with Vorkheimer at the University of Frankfurt spent a few years during the World War I on the island of Tenerife off the coast of Africa. These he performed research psychology most for famous animal study. Insight has called phenomena. Kohler made much of the concept of the insight phrase too much. He felt that insight learning did not depend upon past knowledge, past experiences, that it was not just a specific cause for transfer. सो स्टूडेंट्स भी हमारे लिए हमारे चैप्टर नंबर 8 कंप्लीट होता है. 8610 हमारा कोटा B.Ed का. चल हाफिज़ मेरी तरफ से और गुड लक टू योर फाइनल एग्जाम्स.